Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something really exciting to unbox and review, the Dell Latitude 3520 laptop. If you're in the market for a powerful and reliable business laptop, you're definitely in the right place. In this video, we'll be unboxing the laptop, exploring its features, and giving you our honest review. So, let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. As you can see, the Dell Latitude 3520 comes in a sleek and sturdy box, which is always a good sign of quality. Inside the box, we're greeted with the laptop itself, neatly wrapped in protective materials. There's also a power adapter, a user manual, and some additional documentation. The laptop has a clean and professional design, with the classic Dell logo on the lid. It feels really solid in hand, and I can already tell this is built to last. Before we power it up, let's take a closer look at some of the key features of the Dell Latitude 3520. The laptop boasts a 15.6-inch Full HD display. The colors are vibrant, and the viewing angles are impressive. Whether you're working on spreadsheets or watching videos, this screen is going to deliver. Under the hood, we've got an Intel Core i5 processor paired with 8 GB of RAM. This combination should handle multitasking and business applications with ease. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, with good key travel. The trackpad is smooth and responsive, which is crucial for productivity. In terms of connectivity, the Dell Latitude 3520 has a variety of ports. There are multiple USB ports, an HDMI port, an Ethernet port, and even a USB-C port for future-proofing your setup. Security is a big deal in business laptops, and this one doesn't disappoint. It features a fingerprint sensor for biometric login and a physical shutter for the webcam. Alright, now that we've covered the features, let's talk about the performance of the Dell Latitude 3520. Booting up was quick, and the laptop feels snappy. I've opened up a few applications, and it's handling them without any hiccups. The Full HD display looks great, and I'm really liking the color accuracy. Whether you're editing documents or watching presentations, this screen won't disappoint. Wrapping up this review, I'm genuinely impressed with the Dell Latitude 3520. It's a solid business laptop that combines performance, durability, and security features. The Full HD display, ample connectivity options, and comfortable keyboard make it a great tool for professionals on the go. Of course, no laptop is perfect. The only minor drawback I found was that the speakers could be a bit louder, but that's not a deal breaker by any means. If you're in the market for a reliable business laptop that can handle your daily tasks and then some, I definitely recommend checking out the Dell Latitude 3520. And there you have it, our unboxing and review of the Dell Latitude 3520 laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.